Top 2. Subway Surfers vs Temple Run 2. Subway Surfers has more downloads than Temple Run 2. Subway Surfers has 2.7 billion downloads, although Temple Run 2 has only 100 million downloads. Subway Surfers is the most popular game and even the first game to reach a billion downloads. Temple Run 2 got 24 million downloads in 4 days. What is Temple Run 2? Temple Run 2 is similar to Subway Surfers, but Temple Run 2 is more realistic and adventurous. There is a gorilla chasing us and we have to do parkour. We have to collect coins and gems to unlock powers and characters. Temple Run 2 theme is type of jungle. We start with the road to a lane, waterfalls and jump and lay down through obstacles. What is Subway Surfers? Subway Surfers is the most popular game in the world. It is modern. We have to jump over trains and there is a police officer chasing us. In this game also we have to collect gems and coins to unlock special powers and skins. We also get powers in the middle of the game if our score is high. The highest score was 200 million, which is like almost 200 billion, made by Karim Mayur.